In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Cookie Yes with Webflow, making your website compliant and user-friendly. This process is simple, and by the end of it, you'll have a cookie consent banner active on your site. Let's get started. First, you will need to go to the Cookie Yes website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign up. Signing up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and fill in the necessary details to create your account. Once you've successfully signed up, the platform will guide you through the next steps automatically. Now, after signing up, you'll want to move to the subsequent step, which is clicking on Next Step. This button will direct you toward the manual installation options. After you've navigated to this section, look for the option that says Install Manually on Website. Click on that. This is where Cookie Yes will generate a specific code snippet for your website. When you see the code, it'll be in a box or a highlighted area. Simply copy this entire code and make sure to keep it handy because you'll need it shortly. Now it's time to switch over to Webflow. Once you're in Webflow, go to the site where you want to install the cookie consent banner. Find the three dots next to your site, which are usually on the right side of your dashboard. You'll want to click on these dots because it will show you more options for managing your site. From these additional options, select Settings. Here is where you can control various aspects of your site. When the Settings page opens, look for the tab that says Custom Code. This is the section where you'll be pasting the code you copied earlier from Cookie Yes. The custom code area is divided into two sections, the head code and the footer code sections. You'll want to focus on the head code section. Simply paste the code into the text box provided. After pasting the code, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button, which is often found at the bottom of the page. Webflow might have this button labeled as Save Changes or simply Save. Finally, once everything is in place, it's important to publish your site to ensure that the changes take effect. Publishing your site will apply the cookie consent banner to your live site, allowing it to be visible for your visitors. And that's it. You have successfully integrated a cookie consent banner on your website using Cookie Yes and Webflow. This ensures that you are not only providing transparency, but also complying with legal requirements. Thanks for watching this tutorial and happy web building. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.